all I feel, let us accept and acknowledge, pay gratitude to each one's contribution. Each one's contribution. That's the reason I keep all these things alive, this name and everything. This is from the Vedic tradition. When you are given Gayatri, you will be given new name. Do you know all Brahmanas? If you received Gayatri formally, you will be given a new name during the Gayatri initiation. See, it's like when you are initiated, you are a new being, new person. That is why you are given new name. So the name giving is not from Osho. It is from Vedic tradition. He did not acknowledge it from Vedic tradition. I acknowledge clearly it is from Vedic tradition. That's all. Anyhow, let's enter into the initiation. Somebody has given empty paper. B.S. Jaya, you can talk to publication in charge. You want to translate some books into Kannada? Talk to publication in charge. My age is 17. I can't change. Who? Rohit Sastry. When you become 18, take the name. I'm going to be here quite a long time. Don't worry. You'll have fun. Coming in a young age to the master is the best thing can happen to your life. So much of suffering can be avoided. So much of suffering can be avoided. You live differently in different times, sometimes far away from reach, sometimes very near in your heart, sometimes very womanly in appearance. Is it my view in which I look at you or anything else? When enlightenment happens, physically you may be male or female, but in the being level, you go beyond. Understand? Enlightened being is neither male nor female or gay. He is beyond all the three. It's like how I hold the kerchief and drop it when I don't want. I'm holding this body. So just because I hold this kerchief, you think that this kerchief has become male or female now? No. It is just an object. Same way, the master's body also becomes a simple object through which he relates. That's all. Sometimes, whatever you want to see, you will see, that's all. Sometimes you will see Rama, Krishna, Govinda, whoever you want to see. Whatever you are praying, you will see that. During meditation in the last session, he suddenly appeared and stood on my navel center. When I was concentrating on it, being standing there for a few minutes, followed by Lord Shiva who persisted in all chakras for the rest of the meditation, I couldn't believe it and felt blessed. Wonderful experience. Only thing, don't be stuck with these experiences. These are good. But as long as you see me as Swam, you have not had the ultimate truth. It's only you are growing. Maybe you can say, it's like if you see a board, Bangalore, 60 kilometers, it's a good sign you are traveling on a right track. But it's not that Bangalore has come. So, don't stop near the signboards. Sangeet. Somebody is asking, do you have technology of converting Buddhas into Buddhas? What else you think I am doing now? See, if I call Buddhas into Buddhas, it looks very condescending. And I am telling people Buddhas. But even if I don't tell, truth is truth. So how many Buddhas have become Buddhas so far? I can say less than 50. 50 I tried. Less than 50, at least 25. I can say at least 25. If you want to find out, for some technical reasons I don't release the names. It creates a lot of complications for them, for their simple life. If you want to find out, try to live around the people who are living closely with me. For the last few years, you will be able to smell the same energy, the same intensity in them. Looking like me is not the thing. How do they look like me? I don't understand. Anyhow. All right. He is not leaving me. As Tamil NSP, you have been in dining hall at least once a day. But here you don't turn at all. Into dining hall, we expect you on lunch. In Tamil NSP, I go and serve every day, at least once. He gave me yesterday also letter, but somehow I avoided that letter today. Alright, the one big problem in the programs conducted inside ashram, one good positive thing, you have an energy field and the banyan tree and all those things. One bad thing is I am too much caught in so many things. The moment I go out of the hall, there will be 20 fellows standing for some instruction, report. That's the reason I am not able to come and serve in the dining hall, but at least I will try. Today I will try. And moreover, there I go and serve because usually people get that stomach problems when they do all this Vata Pitta Kapha balancing. To heal the stomach, I energize the food so that they will all be healed. They will not have much problem. But here food is already energized. Every day it goes for offering. Please understand, all these 4 days you are eating the offered prasad, energized food. So nothing much, not much problem. Somebody is asking, I don't want to read their name, very personal question. After the prarabdha, or after the desire meditation, I know I have a deep lust, but I want to get rid of it. How to? I tell you, if it is your prarabdha, don't even bother about getting rid of it. You will see that lust has enough of power and capability, intensity. It will bring the right person to your life. See, understand, lust is not a dead energy. It's a living, intelligent, intense energy. Respect it. If it is agamya, it will die. If it is prarabdha, which you brought, it will bring the right person to your life and give you the deep fulfillment and, of course, beyond fulfillment, the bliss. So I don't think you should start working for suppressing or dropping. You should only bring more and more awareness to it. If it is agamya, it will drop. If it is prarabdha, it will get fulfilled. Sundar Vajpayee. Would you please explain the flowering of the emotional body? When we are crying in joy, is that it? When I think of sharing your meditation and teaching with others, I feel joy in my third chakra. Is the flowering or is it cleaning, cleansing? It is flowering. In cleansing you won't feel joy. You will only feel peace. In flowering only you will feel bliss. Let's enter into the initiation. Can we just 2 minutes? We'll meditate and give our prayers and respects to all the great masters who developed this science of initiation into the truth and who preserved this truth on the planet Earth. Please close your eyes and sit straight. You don't have to tie the ribbon. Just sit straight and close your eyes. Pray intensely to all of them to give you the experience of the truth. the initiation. Sadashivasamarambham Shankaracharyamadhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam.